So this is my first time trying this. I am attempting to make the cake pops, and it is my first time. I never done this. So basically the first step was to bake a regular cake. So I chose this flavor. This thing, you can use any variety you want. So for these things you're gonna need a chocolate melter, and well, inside a chocolate melter you're gonna put almond bark or any. We're gonna use this. It's already baked. Ya esto yo lo puse en el horno ya. Yo cogí esta marca. Pero puede ser cualquier bizcocho, cualquier sabor, no importa. You can pick any flavor you want. And of course, little cute things to decorate it. You know. So now I'm gonna start the process for the first time ever in my life. Here, I already baked the cake, and now I am going to smash it, destroy it. My favorite step. Alright, so basically what I'm gonna do right now is to demolish this cake, destroy, break it, and I'm gonna put it into this bowl, and I'm gonna mix it with the vanilla frosting. So I'll just set the camera right here, and you can see actually the actual process. So I'm just gonna use my hand. Of course, I wash my hands, they're nice and clean. Alright, and I'm just gonna grab this cake, put it in there. Alright, doesn't matter, it's gonna be destroyed anyways. Alright, so right now, aquí tenemos el bizcocho. Here we have the cake, all smashed into pieces, and we're gonna put the frosting in it. I'm just gonna use the entire thing inside of it. Alright, so I'm just gonna dump that in there. Alright, so we have the frosting right here. I'll show you. I'm gonna just mix it up a little bit. And well, you actually have to put your hands in there, get dirty. Okay, fun process right now. Here we go. Alright, mix all that up, all the frosting. Que vean. Mezclar todo el bizcocho con el frosting. This is what you get. It looks like Play-Doh, basically. Kind of like a, well, showing you so you could get to see the texture. This is the texture you get right now. Esta es la textura que queda, como una plasticina ahora mismo. Sir. Oh yeah, that's my cartoon. I drew that. My new character. Anyway, I'm gonna set it up right here to cool down. Hay que ponerlo como 15 minutos. En lo que se enfría eso, while that cools down, I'm gonna take this almond bark. Voy a coger este chocolate y lo voy a poner a derretir. Okay, so I'm gonna set this on melting. And this is a cute little thing. I just got it. Well, my wife got it for me. Cut, but anyway. Two. Alright, and we have our mix cooling down. Alright. Bueno, mientras iba esperando, while I was waiting, I took my time and I started cutting the lollipop sticks because there were 25 in there, but they were too long. So I just cut them in half, and now I have 50 of them. So lo corté todito por la mitad. Tenía 25, ahora tengo 50. And well, I'm still waiting on the chocolate to melt. Se está derritiendo todavía. Y en lo que se va derritiendo, pues tengo ya la mezcla, el bizcocho con el frosting, la mezcla que hice, enfriándose. Ok, pues básicamente ya pues lo dejé enfriando como por 15 minutos. I let it cool down for 15 minutes. And what I'm going to do right now is to take this, make it into little balls, and I'm going to put them right here. So I'll just use my handy dandy hands. Alright, so I'll just take about like this much. Como así de grande es lo que voy a coger. Alright, just this big. Make it into a little ball. And just put them in there. Y yo sigo haciendo bolitas hasta que use la mezcla entera. Just keep making little balls until you use the whole entire mix. Alright, and again, this is the cake mixed with the frosting. Just keep making little balls, and after we make all these little balls, we're gonna put it back in the fridge for another 15 minutes. And while that happens, the chocolate is here, still melting. So this is how many came out. It's a whole bunch. Alright, I didn't count them, but there's a whole bunch. I actually decided, since there are so many, to put the rest of the almond bark in there. So I used the whole thing. Okay, so como salieron muchas, pues lo puse todo. Todo el chocolate que había, yo había puesto solamente la mitad, pero pues como salieron un montón, pues las puse toditas ahí. Alright, so aquí está todo el chocolate. Se va a derretir. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the lollipop sticks. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna put some chocolate in there. And then I'm gonna stick the lollipop stick in the cake. Okay. Well, this is a very fun part, actually. Alright, put some chocolate in there. It actually looks... The chocolate sticks out when you push it in. I put all the sticks, the lollipop sticks, and now I'm gonna put them in the freezer. Alright, for 15 minutes. Aquí está, en el freezer. Todita con sus palitos. And they're gonna stay there for 15 minutes. The chocolate has melted. Here we go. Voy a coger una con cuidadito que no se le salga el palito. And you gotta be really careful. Come out. So just dip them in there. Alright, dip them in the chocolate. Very good, very good. Alright. Y ahora vamos a darle vueltita para que se vaya saliendo el chocolate. Wow, this looks yummy. Okay, so now. Alright, here we are so far. See how cute they look? Make sure that you cover everything. Make sure everything is covered. Está seguro que todo se cubra. Big accident. It looks really cute anyway.